Hey everyone, I so appreciate all of you stopping in today. I have this plain box here from the USPS Priority Mail that I had my niece send me. And inside this box, there's all kinds of stuff. Let me see, she sent me the receipt. She lives, yeah, oh, okay. They did hook it up here. Okay. Just taking everything out of the box. Turn it this way. Tight fit. Okay. I think that's everything. So we'll get rid of that box. We no longer need it. So what she sent to me were 3 beauty boxes from Meijer. So 2 of them fit in the box, and the other one they took apart and sent me in a bag. Saved like $5, $6 off of shipping. So I said, as long as 1 or 2 of them are still in the box, it's fine with me. I don't know if where I live there is no Meijer, and she lives in a state that has Meijer. So she was so kind, her and her husband, to go and like she sent me the box. They just broke it down. Obviously sent me the tissue paper. They really did a cute job in saving me everything that I would need. They sent me the receipt, which is good. So these are $4.99 a box. And these are beauty boxes. I don't know what's in them. I saw them and was like, oh, I wish Meijer shipped. They don't, because I would order them every month. $4.99 a box. I don't care if there's 3 products in here. It's still worth it. So she lives in Ohio. So it was $14.97 for the 3 boxes and had to pay $1.05 in their sales tax. So it was $16.02 for all 3 boxes. Now 2 are still in the box, and 1 they had to debox in order to ship it. So I'm going to show you everything. Well, that's cool. That was in the box. And this way I can get rid of all this paper. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, this is nice. I'm seeing like little bit of, plus I have a couple extra trash bags here. These are great pulling trash bags for the week. I will reuse them for sure. So this is everything that was in one of the boxes, since it's open. We have a sample from Suave, Up the Volume. This is pretty nice shampoo and conditioner. We received this, I think it was in Walmart. And I was able to get 2 uses out of each side. My hair's not that long. You don't need that much shampoo and conditioner. So I was able to get a couple tries out of that. I'm not a big Suave person personally, but this was actually pretty nice. And if you traveled with these, you could get by. The next item is from John Frieda, and this is a 3-in-1 shine spray, Vibrant Shine. And these are probably all sample sizes, but they're $4.99. I'm not paying $16 for samples, Ipsy. So that's interesting to have. Now this is full size, and this is from Chapstick, and these are vanilla favorites. So we have a 3-pack. I mean, these have to be at least, you know, $2 a piece. I know you can pick them up like at Dollar Tree, but now they're $1, what, $50, $1.25. I've seen them at Dollar Store. So it's vanilla cupcake, vanilla bean ice cream, and vanilla mint are the 3 flavors. Fall and winter's coming. We'll be using those. And here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. Emergency 1,000 milligrams vitamin C. And these are super orange. Dietary supplement. Flavored fizzy drink mix with natural flavors. Caffeine free. Daily immune support. Antioxidants. B vitamins and electrolytes. So these are good coming with the season, coming up with the fall. So there's 5 of those. I'm not unhappy with them. They will get used in our house. And this is nice. This is usually pretty expensive. Eucerin oil control, oil absorbing minerals. This is a 50 SPF sunscreen. I mean, you can use that on your face. You can get quite a few uses out of it. I'm not unhappy with that. Now this, I don't know what this is. This says Weather Up Gel from Twist by, I cannot read that. who that's by, but this is Weightless Curl Defining Gel. Now, I generally don't leave my hair curly, but my mom does, so that could be good for her to use. Frizz fighting, long lasting, no scrunch, weightless curl defining gel. Well, that's not bad. Does this have a seal on it? I'm curious. I can barely get this stuff open. Ooh, no seal, but that smells so good. There's like a little air pocket there. That smells wonderful. That'll make your hair smell nice. So that was everything in one box. I'm just going to wipe that on my leg there. That's not bad. I'm not unhappy with it for $4.99. It's still cheaper than the Walmart boxes. So this is box number 1. So I'm just going to put things back here so I can keep everything together that came together. Oreo is all. Here's all this commotion, and she's like, "What are you doing?" So let's go for another one. I don't know if they're all the same, if they're different. We're going to find out. Hopefully they're different. No, they're all the same. Aww. These are all the same. That's a bummer. I thought they would be different because they have offered different ones online. Yeah, this is exactly the same. Everything's the same, so I think this other one's going to be identical also. Thought maybe she would get like 3 different boxes. Maybe she didn't realize they were different because it says New Beauty Heroes. Yeah, this is all the same. So maybe I'll share some of these products. I can give some to my sister. I'm going to see her in a few days. But these are always great to have. Share some chapstick. Not bad. Like I said, I wish they were all different, but they're all the same, which is kind of a bummer because I know they offer different boxes. But once again, I don't think she realized that they have different boxes, but each one has the full-size chapstick. So, you know, I'm not going to get angry at that at all. So this isn't really, I mean, if these boxes were all different, these would be a great value for $4.99. So if you live near Meijer, go in and check it out and see, you know, if they offer different boxes, which I know they do. You can pick yourself up some. I think a great deal for the price. So that is it for today. I figured they would be different and I could show you 3 different boxes, but they are all the same. But I'm still not unhappy with it. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see all of you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.